Combination lock. 3 buttons. 1 lock and unlock button. If this one turns on, the combination is wrong. This one turns on, the combination is right. Digital inputs. Ground and 5 volts. Arduino and prototyping shield. Bunch of wires. Pull down resistors. So yeah, the correct combination is this one, and that one. If there's anything else, that one turns on. If it's the correct one, that one turns on. Let's try the wrong one first. Incorrect. Another incorrect one. And another incorrect one. Another correct one. Yay!